Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 24th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Elf Labs is making waves by offering investment opportunities in a venture that merges iconic character IP with cutting-edge technology. With over 100 trademark victories and 400 international copyrights, Elf Labs is tapping into a $2 trillion market. They're focusing on beloved characters like Snow White and Cinderella, aiming to create AI-powered interactive toys and immersive 3D worlds. Their proprietary tech allows for high-fidelity streaming without VR headsets, and they're looking to generate revenue through licensing in a consumer product space projected to reach $432 billion. With a leadership team seasoned in the entertainment industry, Elf Labs is poised to revolutionize the entertainment landscape. Bitcoin's market dynamics are shifting, with a 3.5% increase in wallets holding 1,000 or more BTC over the past year. Meanwhile, wallets with less than $10 in BTC have surged by 75%, indicating a rise in small investors. However, the middle class of Bitcoin holders is shrinking, with a notable decline in wallets holding between 10 and 100 BTC. This trend suggests a potential sell-off from existing holders, while wealth concentration among Bitcoin holders is increasing. The Bankroll Network, a DeFi protocol, was reportedly hacked, resulting in a $230,000 loss. The attacker exploited a vulnerability, potentially using flash loans. Meanwhile, a phishing attacker attempted to launder $250,000 through the Karoo DeFi protocol. These incidents highlight the ongoing risks in the crypto space, with users advised to be vigilant against scams. Alex Svanovic shared insights on the future of cryptocurrency, highlighting 6 key themes. He emphasized the integration of fintech front-ends with crypto back-ends, the intersection of gambling and DeFi, and the potential for Layer 2 solutions to enhance user-friendliness. These observations indicate a significant shift in how financial services may be conducted in the future. Arbitrum has introduced a new transaction sequencing policy called Timeboost, replacing the first-come, first-served method with an auction system. This change encourages strategic bidding and aims to reduce network congestion while generating revenue for the DAO. Stacey Moore discusses the current state of airdrop programs, noting a decline in excitement but highlighting valuable opportunities. Notable programs include Morpho Labs, Sunrise Layer, and Mantle's Cook token, each offering unique strategies and potential market valuations. This week in DeFi news, several updates emerged. Layer 0 Foundation reallocated ZRO tokens, LogX announced an airdrop checker, and Polkadot introduced Agile Core Time. Flare Networks launched its Flare Time Series Oracle V2, and Circle's USDC will soon be available on Sui Network. These developments highlight ongoing innovations and partnerships in the DeFi landscape. Ronin, a blockchain network for crypto gaming, has rebounded from a massive hack in 2022. After losing $600 million, Ronin increased its validators and raised $150 million to reimburse users. Now Ronin is expanding its offerings and establishing itself as a leading Layer 2 solution in Web3 gaming. Silvergate Bank's parent company filed for bankruptcy due to regulatory pressure on banks involved in digital assets. Despite sufficient assets, a bank run in 2023 and ongoing scrutiny led to the decision to wind down operations. This reflects a broader trend of regulatory caution towards banks in the crypto sector. Alex Masmej of Drakulaapp shared strategies for their on-chain application, focusing on committing to Base, embedding wallets into user experiences, and enhancing engagement with a TikTok-like interface. These strategies aim to make crypto usage more seamless and entertaining. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain.